Are you overwhelmed with the flow of information from your digital platforms? You don't have the time or the means to seriously study the data? If you find it difficult and overwhelming navigating through all the reports offered by these sites in order to pull out all the relevant and important information, SmartBi can help. Thanks to our dashboards, it's never been easier to visualize and understand all your data from your digital universe and extract the essential information you need without having to go through a mountain of reports. The information that's important to your business is centralized, and many of our dashboards are cross-platform, allowing you to view all of your business data from different sources at a glance. Our team of experts will help you configure your data and advise you on the best practices to maximize the return on your investments. While our basic dashboard will meet most of your needs, we also offer a custom reporting service to meet more complex requests. With SmartBi, you'll get superpowers without being bitten by a radioactive spider. See our dashboards at work on our YouTube channel, or visit our website